Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need to confirm that your Apple Watch SE does not support Always On. First, open the Watch app and check the model name so you know whether hardware supports AOD. Once done, back up your iPhone and watch data to iCloud or an encrypted computer backup. This preserves health and settings. Make sure your iPhone and Watch OS are updated. Update streamline pairing. These steps prepare you for the only real option. Move to a watch that includes always-on hardware instead of trying workarounds. Now you must get a watch that actually supports always-on. Buy or trade for Series 5 or newer model. Those have the ambient display hardware required. When ready, unpair your SE in the Watch app to preserve a final backup and to transfer a cellular plan if applicable. Once you have the new watch, pair it to your iPhone and restore from that backup. These actions move your data cleanly and set you up to enable the always-on feature after pairing. With the new compatible watch paired and restored, go to the Watch app, tap Display and Brightness, and turn Always-on on. You can fine-tune brightness, dimming behavior, and wake duration to balance visibility versus battery life. If Always-on does not appear, make sure Watch OS is current and restart both devices. Sometimes features hide until an update finishes. If problems persist, verify you indeed have a Series 5 or later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.